Hi everyone, welcome to practice problem IS-03. This one's going to be a quick one just to test your basic understanding of the multi-step income statement. Here it is, multiple choice. Which of the following are reasons to prepare a multi-step income statement rather than a single-step income statement? Take a moment, pause the video, read your solutions, determine which of these you feel are reasons that you should prepare a multi-step income statement. When you're ready, come back and I'll talk through the solution. All right, welcome back. So going through these, which are reasons to prepare the multi-step income statement? First up, A, the multi-step income statement is less costly to prepare. That is not true. The multi-step income statement is a more complex version of the income statement. It is more costly to prepare in terms of time and resources. So that is not a reason that you would want to use it. B, the multi-step income statement provides more decision-useful information to investors. That is absolutely true. Whereas the single-step income statement simply says revenue, expense, net income, the multi-step income statement breaks sales revenue into total sales, sales returns and allowances, sales discount, net sales. The multi-step income statement then takes out cost of goods sold, calculates gross profit. It separates operating and non-operating pieces. It breaks out taxes. There's just a lot more decision-useful information for investors. C, the multi-step income statement can be used to calculate common financial ratios. That is also true. Some of the most common that you'll see are the gross profit rate, GPR, and the profit margin ratio, PMR. These are not calculable using the single-step income statement. You need a multi-step breakdown because they both rely on net sales, which isn't broken out in a single-step income statement. And then D, the multi-step income statement is better at disaggregating revenues and expenses from operating and non-operating activities. Also true. That goes back to the idea of providing more decision-useful information for investors. Not only does it break out, say, sales and gross profit and all that, but it also breaks out, here's the operating portion of your business, here's the non-operating portion of your business, and the revenues and expenses associated with each. Much more decision-useful for investors. So B, C, and D, all true, but the one downside, A, is that the multi-step income statement is actually more costly to prepare. All right, that was it for this one. Hope you found it helpful. Hope you join me for another.